Mag-start na
Thank
tayo,
you.
everyone.
Mamang Kira.
Anyways,
Ayun.
my name is
Ay.
Cam. I'm from Imperial Family and Asta Agency. Welcome po to our Asta Midnight Jamming. My name is Cam and I will sing first po tapos susundan na din po ni Mami DK, ni Mami Lynn at sunod-sunod na din po tayo. Sa nais pong gustong magkanta, tap to join lamang po kayo dyan sa baba. I love you. Once we were running for a while here. And even when those all might come, and I should feel the light. I was a glimmer in your eyes in the darkness of the evening. And I've got all that I need, right in here, the passenger seat. When I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. Thank you po. We got to get something to drink. My mind's clouds and I can't sing. Scared to death to say I love her. Then the moon peeks from the clouds. I hear my heart, it's beat so loud. Try to tell her first simply that I've got all that I need, right in here, the passenger seat. Good evening po, tap to join. When I can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. I've got all that I need, right in here, the passenger seat. When I can't keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. Oh, and I know that is not wrong. Tap to join po sa nais pong gustong magkanta dyan. Tap to join. Good evening po. That I need, right in here, the passenger seat. When I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. Oh, and I've got all that I need, right in here, the passenger seat. When I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. And I got all that I need, right in here, the passenger seat. When I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. And I've got all that I need, right in here, the passenger seat. Alright, good evening po. Good evening po, Ate Bolboli, na masyarap na masikip. Thank you so much po.
Na para bang?
Tap to join po, tap to join. Na para bang hindi.
Good evening, everyone. Wow, happy ni Annie.
Bea.
kahit kami ay
Mga
nag-ano
Mickey.
ng kuryente dito, ay nandito pa rin ako sa inyo.
Laban
God is
lang.
so good all the time. Magiging okay din ang lahat, Ate
Yes.
Mean.
Mm-mm.
Kasama ka namin sa prayers.
Thank you so much to all of you guys. Love you all. I miss you all talaga.
Thank you.
Right, let's give
Thank
it
you
up.
sa pag-invite.
Mami Dicky.
Thank you so much, Miguel. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, especially po kay Miss Kay, sa aming manager, at sa lahat po ng bisita dito. Thank you so much po sa pag-invite. And this is my song. Yan. Guess I'm just afraid not to come and make it last forever. And in my selfish way, I think I'm clever until you cry. Do you wanna leave? You can let it go because you're strong. But one day without your love seems so long. And I sigh, how I sigh. If this is love, darling, now's the time to wake up. Hitting walls can really shake up someone's life. If this is love, darling, it's time to stop pretending we'll never have a happy ending while we cry. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat. Is it a shame how one excuse still leads into another? After all this time we hurt each other. Is it a shame? Time to make a change. Time to find the things we both believe in. Talk about the staying, not the leaving. If this is love, darling, now's the time to wake up. Letting words can really shake up someone's life. If this is love, darling, it's time to stop pretending we'll never have a happy ending while we cry. If this is love, darling, now's the time to wake up. Letting words can really shake up someone's life. If this is love, darling, it's time to stop pretending we'll never have a happy ending while we cry. If this is love, darling, now's the time to wake up. Letting words can really shake up someone's life. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Gamba. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much po, Mami Dicky.
Okay, Tabs.
Mami Lynn, are you ready, Mami Lynn? Let's give it up po, Mami Lynn.
Sino sunod?
Na.
Monon, hi all this time.
Yan.
Ayan na.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our jam session, Comes Jam Session 2026. Hello, Nakdino. Mayan, MC, Miss GK. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi po.
Yes,
Pasensya
thank
na po
you.
kayo, medyo pagod-pagod pa ako. May music ako.
Apo, Mami.
Maybe I hang around here a little more than I should. We both know I got somewhere else to go. But I got something to tell you that I never thought I would. But I believe you really ought to know. I love you. I honestly love you. You don't have to answer. I see it in your eyes. Maybe it was better left unsaid. This is pure and simple, and you must realize that it's coming from my heart and not my head. I love you. I honestly love you. I'm not trying to make you feel uncomfortable. I'm not trying to make you anything at all. But this feeling doesn't come along every day. And you shouldn't blow my chance when you got a chance to say I love you. I love you. I honestly love you. If we both were born in another place and time, this moment might be ending with a kiss. There you are with yours, and here I am with mine. So I guess we'll just be living it like this. I love you. I honestly love you. I honestly love you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mami.
Galing.
Mami yan. Thank you so much po. Next po natin is si Kopi ko. Let's give it up po. Kopi ko. Walang Kopi ko.
Copy ko. Galawin mo ang baso. Hanggang mo siya.
Sorry. Nakakalap ko naman. May music ba ako? I'm your light in shining armor, and I love you. You have made me what I am. I am yours. There's so many ways to succeed. I love you. Let me hold you in my arms forevermore. have gone and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your love, and all we belong together. Won't you believe in my song? Lady, for so many years I thought I'd never find you. You have come into my life and make me whole. Forever, let me wait to see you each every morning. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I see no one else, but there's no other like our love. And yes, oh yes, always want you. I want for you for so long. Lay there, your love, the only love I need. And beside me is where I want you to be. 'Cause my love, there's something I want you to know. You're my love of my life. You're my lady. Thank you, Ann. Hilig ko na lang kumanta ka. Masakit talaga lalamunan ka, ma'am. Thank you, thank you.
Happy po. Yan, the next po natin is si
pakaswing
Kuya
naman
Vino.
talaga.
Yung ating idol Vino.
Thank you guys, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. Ang mga sulok ng mundo. At
Yan
syempre,
o, tap to
welcome
join
to
po.
David Channel.
Tap to join lang.
And sa mga gusto pong maki-join po, tap to join lang po kayo ha. And here's something from Rexa Smith, Simply Jessie. Check on you. Hi everyone. Ay, syempre, huwag nyo kaming kalimutang i-follow, guys. And I don't know how I knew it, but I knew it somehow. You're the answer to the question no one answered till now. And I don't know what you see, what you see in me. Girl, it's nothing to what I see in you. His stars that glisten, lips for kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one ever, I'll love you better. I love you, honey. I love you. Ay po sa mga tanong, this is a happy year to you for all the love song guys. At syempre, huwag nyo kaming kalimutang i-follow. Ayan. And welcome here jamming session of Bebe Camilton. Ayan, from Artist All Talent Agency. Hi po sa mga nanonood. In general. And I know the girl too, but none of them was you. And they could never be what you are to me. His stars that glisten, lips for kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one ever, I love you better. I love you, honey. I love you. Ooh, I love you. Ooh, I love you. Ooh, I love you. I love you. Thank you so much. Back to you, Bebe Camilton. Thank you so much. Ayun.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Kuya.
Nag-invite mo.
Galing-galing yan. Next po natin
Invite.
sa Kuya Cal. Kuya Cal. Let's give it up, Kuya Cal. Bye, Jack and
Hi, Cal.
ACL. Thank you so much sa inyo sa
May-
pagpunta.
Meron ako mic. Check, check.
Meron.
Check. Sound. Music.
Let's go.
Meron?
Meron.
Narinig niyo ba? Meron.
Yes po.
Pero hindi ito yung kakantahin ko.
Ay, wow. Pinasayaw na ako.
Pina-excite ko lang. Pinasaya ko lang kay konti.
Wasdog ha.
Your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. In the moment that you wonder about me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. When you come to me on the summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world out full, breaking out sound. And they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest song. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think I'ma care for you, when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world out full, breaking out sound. When they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La 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 la. La 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 la. And you come to me on summer breeze, keep me warm in your love and you softly live. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Da, 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 da. Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. It's your love I really need to love. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Jimo. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.
Right, thank you so much po, Kuya Kai. Nice, ganun mo lang yun. Next na po natin si Mami Donna. Mami Donna, good evening po. Kayo na po.
Good evening
Are you
din,
ready
Be. Thank you sa pag-invite, ha, Be. Ah,
Welcome po.
ngayon lang ako nakaano sa ganito, eh.
Jamming
Parang hindi
session
pa ako sanay.
Apo.
Be. Ito, favorite ko. One of my favorite. Although medyo chill-chill lang kung kantan to, eh. Hindi ako pambirit. Yes, anyway, thank you sa pag-invite, Be. May sound ba ako, Be?
Apo.
I've been waiting here for you, waiting for a sign from you. I feel very cold, that I can smile no more. Your voice doesn't sound so clear. I don't think it's fair. Your dreams disappear. Hope you'll be alright. We hope you'll be alright. Don't fade away from me. For you will always be my sweetest memory. A friend so dear to me. I don't mean to sound so sad, but if you only knew I miss you so bad, I won't forget your light. We won't forget your light. I know it's gonna take time, but you will never be my man. I sit here crying many tears, but I wish you were still here. Father, fade away from me. For you will always be my sweetest memory. Thank you, our friends so dear to me. And I've been waiting here for you, waiting for a sign from you. I feel very cold, but I can smile no more. Thank you.
Napaka-smooth naman, mami.
Kinakabahan na ako ba? Hindi ako sanay eh.
Ang ganda po. Yes, may personality.
Yes, thank you. Thank you sa pag-invite
Thank you
namin.
so much po. Donna. You're welcome po. Maraming salamat po. Yummy. At sa sama din po. Maraming salamat po, Mama Donna. Next po natin si Ate Creamy. Alright?
Hello, good evening po sa
Hello,
lahat.
Ate Creamy.
Thank you sa sa pagpapa-up. Thank you.
Huwag niyo po kaming
Hindi po,
kalimutan.
sa lahat.
Magpapaluan po.
Oo, papaluan.
Magpapaluan. Mami sa...
May music ako? Okay ba yung sound ko?
Okay po.
Restless love, feeling restless inside, wanting you to always be by my side. I don't even want you out of my mind. You are in my thoughts all day and night. I can't get you out of my mind. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I want to spend them all with you. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you can. Tell me please. Tell me that you also feel the way that I do. Thank you. Can describe what are just not enough. Can explain. It all happened so fast. What exactly I'm feeling right now? It is love I got to know somehow. Just how long this madness will last? 'Cause I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I want to spend them all with you. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you can. Tell me please. Tell me that you also feel the way that I do. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love.
Yan
May
na.
Araneta ha.
Good evening
Thank you so
po.
much.
Tap to join po kayo, guys. Tap to join. Thank you po so much, Ate Creamy.
Thank
Sister
you
ni
rin.
Ate. Ayan. Next po natin si Ate Marl. Are you ready na po ba, Ate Marl?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. Let's
Sabi
give
ni
it
Ate
a
Marl,
Good
I'm
evening,
born to be
everyone.
ready.
Oy, sorry kanina, hindi ko kayo marinig.
Pero ngayon okay na.
Para nag-ingay na ako.
Thank you, handsome.
Good evening po sa lahat. BK, Mami Lynn, Bino, Mean, at lahat po ng nandito. Good evening po sa inyo. Follow niyo po kami, huwag niyo kalimutan.
Gusto pa ba ng bill? Oh, Mon. Gusto pa namin, Mon. Alright. Thank you so much.
Gusto pa ba ng bell? Opo!
More bells pa, Mon.
More Papa M.
Thank you, Mon Mon. Let's give it up po, Ate Mia. Ay, at Mami Mar, Ate Mar. Nabudalit.
Ano?
Ano?
Lahat na yun ah.
Hindi
Sige,
tama
ako
yan.
rin.
Bakil kami.
Okay. My song is In Your Eyes by George Benson.
Ayan.
Think I finally know I can see beyond your smile. Think that I can show you perhaps still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like a train that keeps on traveling, but then it ties back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I'll finally learn to love you more. You warn me that life changes, but no one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change, in a world where nothing stays the same, through it all, our love will still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, but you take safely back to shore. And I think I'll finally learn to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and I, put your things safely back to shore. And I think I'll finally learn to love you more. Alright, thank you. Thank you everyone. Atika.
Thank you so much po. Thank you, Miss Kay. Thank you, Ate Mar. You know, in your eyes. Yan.
Sana
Patingin
all
na
no,
tayo
in your
kay
eyes,
Ate
no?
Mia. Si Ate Mia namin. Ay,
Hi,
singer.
hello, good evening. Thank you so much, Kami. Alright.
Yan, let's give it up po, Timian.
Okay lang ba yung mic ko? Di ba, ano? Yan, thank you so
Okay
much.
lang.
Good evening everyone. Every twos and every tees and everybody. Ayan, so, pasensya na kasi nga sobrang, medyo hindi masyadong maganda yung namin dito. Okay? Ayan, thank you so much po sa lahat-lahat. Papa M, Monmon, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagbibigay ng gift. Thank you so much po talaga and more blessings po para po sa inyo. Yan, ito po yung kong song at sana ay maging okay ang internet ko ngayon dahil nakadata lang po talaga ako. Yan. Para maka-attend ng jamming ni Kami. Yan. Alright, thank you so much. Hear my songs. At sana maging okay ang song ay ang aking internet connection.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that is the love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. And there are people dying if we care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me.
And sana maging okay na po ang Jensan.
To want to know why there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this place we cannot feel fear or dread. We stop existing, start living. Then it feels that always the love is enough for us growing. Make a better world, to make a better world. Heal the world, and make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if we care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. And the dreams we were conceived and will we go for joyful face. And the world we once believed in will shine again the grace. Then why we did struggle in life? Would this hurt souls? To go into plain to see the road is heavily because close the high, so high. Let the spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. We the world with no fear. Together we'll start happy tears. See the nation turns the sweat into joy tears. We could really get there if we care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, sana make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. And there are people dying if we care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world to make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. And there are people dying if we care enough
place for you and for me. Heal the world and make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. And there are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Alright, thank you so much, guys. And babalik ko na sa iyo, Mami. And salamat ng marami sa lahat-lahat at nakarating ako dito despite of many strugglings na nangyayari dito sa General Santos City.
Ayan, guys, pag-pray natin yung Jensan. Ayan, isa sa mga nasa lanta. Boss, all this time, walang nakakatawa. Oo, konting respeto. May respeto sana. Oo. Pag walang nakakatawa, wag sana tumawa. Oo.
Tumawa.
Konting kahihiyan.
Right. Thank you, Ate Mian.
Shall we?
At thank you na po kay Mama Queen. Let's go, Mama Queen.
Good evening, guys. Thank you sa invitation ulit.
Yan,
May
yan.
sounds ba?
Meron pa.
Meron.
Monmon, thank you guys. Thank you so much po. Thank you, Nina.
Good evening, guys.
Thank you, Miss A.
I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams come true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy and like you to hold back or hide from the light? I hate to turn up out of the blue, wanting button, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you'll be reminded that for me isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. In love, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies on me. Yesterday was a time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue, wanting button, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you'll be reminded that for me it's in over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, there are memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Ooh, don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said, sometimes it lasts in long, but sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said, sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Thank you. Back to you, Cam. Thank you so much.
Ayun, thank you so much, Mami. Yan na. Bababa ka na po, Ate Creamy.
Maya.
Sige po.
Oo.
Ano,
Pwede
next
kong kantahin yung yung kay, inire-request ni Papa M? Yung friend of mine?
kakantahin niyo po ba?
Oo,
Sige po.
bababa na ako.
Sige po. Let's give it a po. Ate Creamy.
Share request. May piki kasi kami.
Apo,
Mas pinadami na ang Breeze Liquid. Mas tanggalang mancha, mas mapango pa. Breeze Liquid with 25% more.
Thank you. Now you for so long you are a friend of mine, but this is all we'll ever be. Love you ever since you are a friend of mine, and baby this is all we ever could be. You tell me things I never know. I show you love you never show. And then again when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had and listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again I'm glad. I know you all my life, you are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I love you then, I love you still. You're a friend of mine. Now I know friends are all we ever could be. You tell me things I never know. I show you love you never showed. But then again when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had and listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness that makes me feel sad. But then again, I'm glad. Ayan, thank you. Ay, kailangan ko na bumaba. Baka sunduin ako dito. Thank you so much. Oo. Thank you all.
so
Guys, huwag niyo
much.
kalimutan i-follow si Miss Creamy at yung mga nasa abroad.
Ayun kayo jamming po ng aming agency po. Maraming salamat. And all this time, are you ready na all this time? All this time? Ay, nakamute ka pala. Sorry. Alright, let's give it up. All this time. All this time. 1, 2, 10.
Si Boss Ladawan, ayun o. Kakanta yata si Boss Ladawan.
Ninong,
Boss Ladawan,
Ninong.
balik ka sa number 7 po.
Up kanino?
Sabi ni all this time pass daw.
Pass daw.
Sige.
Go.
Sana si Ninong? Wala na si Ninong dito.
Wali na.
Alright. Lalasong na kasi may mga
Si Papa M
yung
daw
iba.
yun o. Kam, pwede kumanta. Ayan.
Dali, halika na. Up ka na dito.
Go, Mon!
Ayusin mo, Mon.
Bukit na Kenny o. Kanta ka net. Ano ka net?
Yan, Kuya Bino. Alright, maglasong na kasi may mga PKs pa sila. Start tayo kay Mami Dick. Sino may mga PKs? Kami din, meron din kami PK. Mga 8 din. Kaya, ayan. Let's go, Mami Dikit. Tapos maglasong.
Thank you so much, Mon.
Alam ko ikaw.
Guys, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Miss you, Mon. Miss you all, guys.
Thank you so much po.
Ay, miss you all, guys.
Oh, may PK.
The next po na
Michelle,
drama,
Noy, at saka si Rai.
Thank
Ay,
you,
Ate
Mon.
Mia.
Thank you po sa lahat na nagbigay ng gift.
Maraming salamat po.
po.
Kay Ate Mian, 17 yung sa kanya.
Thank you, everyone.
Nagbigay ng gift. Thank you po.
Oh, guys, sa 17 yung schedule ko din ako yung magiging host. Hoping nandun din po kayo sa by next Wednesday po yun. Sana doon po kayo sa sa jamming ko next week.
Kilala niyo si number 7?
Thank you ka, ma. Oo,
Opo.
ano na rin ako, be.
Sige
Baba.
po.
Thank you,
Thank you
Mami.
ka sa pag-invite. At sa mga nagbigay ng gift, thank you rin ha.
Salamat, Mami.
Medyo, thank you. Sa bagay, 8:30 pa naman ang start ng PK, pero mababa na rin ako. Anyway, thank you sa
Thank you, Mami
mga...
Donna.
Nice to see you here. Sa mga bagong kakilala. Yes, thank you.
Every Wednesday po sa mga gusto pong
Yes, ang
makijam
galing.
sa
Ang ganda.
Asta.
Thank you.
7 p.m. to 8 p.m. po kami nag-jamming session from Art and Soul Talent Agency.
Invite ko uli ako, Kam.
Every Wednesday night.
Thank you, Ben.
God bless and
Thank you
Yes.
po.
Thank you, Mami Donna.
Yan, maglalasong na tayo. Ay, si Chark daw, kakanta daw si Chark.
Casio.
Sino? Chark ba to? Number 7? Number
Oo.
7?
Kakanta
Alright,
po kayo,
number
number 7.
Ano pa kayo? Casio.
Pwede po ba? Pwede po.
Pwede. Okay, let's give it up po.
Thank you po.
Casio.
Pagod sa pitin. Natutunan tulad Enervon Pizza. And Rich Swap. Pizza. Enervon Pizza. Help get more energy, more immunity, more confidence.
Mag-open cam po ba o mag-out cam? Out cam po.
Much better nag-open ka para makilala ka din namin. Ayan, maraming salamat.
Salamat!
Salamat!
Thank you, Mama Mira. Sabi siya, no?
dance line. In the museum I made some line. He is a little broken but so spinning around a circus and watching you kiss her. We're right over here, and what can you see?
Gusto na hit.
And give it in my all, but I'm not the guy. I keep dancing on my own. So far away, the still sunny here, the lights come on and music die, but you don't see me standing here. I just can't say goodbye, and I'm in the corner and watching you kiss her. Whoa, I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy to take it home. I keep dancing on my own, and I'm in the corner and watching you kiss her. Whoa, we're right over here, and why can't you see me? You know, and give it in my arm, and I don't think I can take me home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. It's still sunny here, the lights come on, and music die. Thank you.
Yo.
Thank you so much po. Let's go na, Mami. Mami DK, let's give it up. Maglasong-lasong na as para magpunta na tayo sa
Maglasong. Si Baby Camille.
Maglalasong na tayo, maglalasong. Thank you, baby Cam. Thank you po sa inyo lahat.
guys. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Let's give it up.
Guys, every Wednesday night,
Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my love as it comes up shining out, reaching out to touch you. I can feel your side since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in the storm
feeling and it might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in the storm I'll find some light, knowing you're beside me. Oh, no. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mami.
Thank you so much.
Yun, no?
Right.
Oo, Ate Mar!
Ano yun?
Ay, Ate Mar, lipat po tayo kay tabi ni Kuya Calves para walang butal dun sa ano.
Diretso pa ba tayo?
Oh, last song, last song.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Cursed out your life, you're a discontented mother and a regimented wife. I know that you dream about the things you'll never do, but I wish someone had talk to me like I wanna talk to you. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California and anywhere I could run. Took the hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I ran out of places and friendly faces because I had to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please, lady, please, lady, don't just walk away, 'cause I have this need to tell you why I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me still living in your eyes. Want to share a part of a weary heart that has lived a million lives. Oh, I've been to Nice and the Isle of Greece when I sip champagne on here. I move like Carlo and Monte Carlo and show them what I've got. I've been undressed by kings and have seen some things that a woman is supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Hey, you know what paradise is? It's a lie, a fantasy we created about people and places as we like them to be. But you know what truth is? It's that little baby you're holding and that's not you both this morning. The same one we're gonna make love with tonight. That's truth, that's love. Sometimes I've been to crying for unborn children that might have made me life exploring, the subtle warning, the cost of much to be free. Hey lady, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. I've been to paradise, never been to me. I've been to paradise, never been to me. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yun, no? Thank you.
Welcome.
Happy.
Ganda nung kanta, no?
Maraming salamat. Oo, ang ganda.
Thank you.
Next one.
Thank you, Baby Cam. Thank you sa inyo lahat.
Nawawala yung boses mo. Maraming
Ay,
salamat.
thank you, Bosti.
Coffee call. Go,
Thank
Coffee
you.
Call.
Yes. Thank you nga pala sa pag-invite. You were the sun, rays of soul in my heart. I reach for you, you seem so yet so hard. I hope and I pray that you will with me someday. And you're down inside, you are mine and I'm yours. True love, or am I dreaming? How can I? It's time to try to say goodbye. You are there, you look my way and touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. I'm waiting for sure that we were meant to fall in love. I look in your eyes, I know that you're thinking more. I try not to say the words that might just scare you away. You know down inside, you are mine and I'm yours to love. Please no more dreaming. How can I? It's time to try to say goodbye. You are there, you look my way and touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. You're in my heart and my soul. You're my love, you're my soul.
welcome. Thank you rin po sa lahat.
Mula sa puso. You're amazing. Alright, thank you so
Para
much
kanina
po,
yung copy ko.
Tito. Mula sa puso.
Sana all.
Para sa lahat.
Ayan.
Mula sa puso. Yeah.
Line slot mo na lang, Bebe Camilo. Wala na yung tatlo eh. Ang nawala
Oo nga,
sa
pa.
slot.
Lasong na lang din naman tayo. Ayaw eh.
Ayaw, yun lang. Baka lag ka, nga ni.
Ayaw?
Pag sumakit ang lower chan, ang
Ayaw.
gamot mo,
Enable.
galing ba dyan?
Enable.
Para sa full, ibus ko pan.
Para sa ating lahat, I can kay Donna Cruz. Check natin. Happy birthday sa Janaki si Miss Diking. I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens of God. I can fight what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend. I can love you until the end. What took you so long to make me see how lucky I am? 'Cause I am free to do the things I wanna do. What took you so long to make me feel I can give love, a love so real? What took you so long to let me know that I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. What took you so long to make me cry? So I will know the reason why I'm so lucky I can smile. I didn't know this for a while, that I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can fight what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch a rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend. I can love you until the end. Oh, oh, oh. Ay, Momo. I can dance, I can fly, and touch a rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend. I can love you until the end. Thank you so much. And dahil sa song of Donna Cruz, I came from Ibarra Music.
You know. Thank you so much, Kuya B.
Thank you so
Next
much,
natin si
Esa.
Kuya Cal. Let's give it up, Kuya Cal. Isang.
Wish 1075.
that we'll find one another in a big somewhere out there. And even though I know how very far apart they are, here's to think we might be wishing on the same bright star.
And when the night wind starts to sing along, it helps to think we're sleeping underneath the same
Kaya, may commercial.
Somewhere out there, love can see us through. Then we'll be together somewhere out there, out where dreams come true. Kala ko may commercial sa akin eh. Baby Cams, Ate DK, sa mga admins na nandito, Kuya Bino, Ate Mean, Mami Queen, thank you sa pag-join dito guys. Kita-kita tayo ulit sa next jamming. Kay Ate Mean naman ang susunod guys. Follow nyo si Ate Mean. Ayan, thank you. Check. Even though I know how very far, nagkamali pa ako. In hell to think we might be wishing on the same bright star.
And when the night wind starts to sing a lonesome lullaby, it helps to think we're sleeping underneath
The
the
same big star. Somewhere out there, if love can see us through, then we'll be together somewhere out there, out where dreams come true.
Wish 107.5.
And that song brought to you by Chooks to Go. Masarap si Kuya Kalbo.
Oh, shit.
May para kang Arabo dyan, Mami Lynn. Para kang Arabo.
Kaya nga, oh. Baka rabo yun.
Baby Cams, Ate DK, sa mga Ate Mean, Kuya Bino.
Salamat,
thank you
Kuya
so
Cams.
much din
Ang
mo,
sarap
may
ng
OPK
musikit.
din kasi
Thank
kami
you so much,
interview.
Kuya
Thank you. Best friend ni Ate
Wala
DK
na si
yung may
Queen, thank
PK.
you.
Best
Oo.
friend.
Yun lang.
May nagpadami nila dito. Pupunan na yung bar ko. Pwede na tayo umalis.
Bye, thank you ulit. See you soon. See you again
So much,
sa
Boss Calvi.
susunod na
Next Wednesday
jamming.
din at saka sa
May kijam
24
ako
kay
ulit.
Mami Lynn.
Bye.
Ako sa 2028. Punta kayo ha. 2028 ako. Pwede.
Tagal pa ng DK.
Yan, diwata.
Ayan, bata.
Thank you.
At saka guys, ini-invite tayo ni Mami Lynn sa August 22. Ayan.
Birthday. Punta tayo.
Bring your own
Oh,
food.
Sa sayo ng mamang sorbetero ang kanyang mga friendship. Nagagawa pa pala kami.
Tutin po natin ay black, blue, or
Nagagawa pala tayo yung sayo.
Royal blue, white, black. Ayan.
Tapos
Royal blue and black.
kasali daw kayo, lalo na nandito, kasali daw kayo sa gift. 18th gift.
Lahat ng mga pupunta, meron tayong blue bills. Ayan.
Lahat
Bring your own blue
Gaya-gaya ka,
bills.
Kam.
Yan, bring your own blue bills.
Sa akin ay
Wear
ibigay
your
bago ibigay kay
best,
Mami.
best suit.
Bago na
Please
i-release.
wear your best suit. Yan.
Best suit is
Ano ba? Lagyan ba yun si Kuya Kalbo?
lag na yata siya. Ang pogi naman ng baby kalbo na yun nga. Screenshot ko nga. Para ba?
Hello, hello, Uncle. Si Uncle, nandiyan pala si Uncle.
Angkol!
Sige na.
Ayan nila.
Pogi naman
Lasan
yung
na-
mas kalbit yan. Bakit yan?
Yeah, let's give it up po. Ate ba? Ate MC?
MC.
Mar.
MC.
Ate Ma.
Si Ate MC na masarap.
Ate
Let's get
MC
up.
Mar.
Koto na yan sa Ate MC. Nakakoto na yan ngayon.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
everyone. nakaka-enjoy. Sana next week maka-attend ulit ako DK kay Mean. Sana maaga kami pauwiin.
True.
Uwi ka niya?
Sabihin ko kay ano, pauwiin ka na. Sabihin ko sa HR. Kausapin ko. Sige, ma'am.
Oo nga. Nakaka-attend. Salamat po sa lahat. Sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Na ako'y mahal mo rin at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo di magbabago, ngunit dahil sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit ika'y lumalayo. Laging nasasaktan pag may kasama iba. Di ba nila alam tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lang.
Ay, naubos yung Facebook 10.
Kahit ano pa kung sabihin nila'y ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Maghihintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot mang ako'y nasa langit na. Kung di ka makita, nakikiusap ka bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin para sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan. Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Umasa ka, maghihintay ako kahit na umabot man ako'y nasa langit na. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay bathala na ika'y hanapin
at sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Alright, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ate Marl. Ate Marl, lagay ka
Ate
din
Mar,
ng
magaling
ganito
daw tayo.
bulaklak
Oh. Saan ba nakikita yung bulaklak? Hindi ko alam eh.
sa ano, sa ito o sa may magic, punta
Oo.
sa magic tapos punta kayo
Ganito,
sa
oh.
Accessories. Accessory yun. Accessory.
Eto.
Accessory.
success.
Sa accessory.
Bago kayo
Ayan, okay na.
Ayan.
Ate
Ito yung
Marl,
bulaklak mo, Timean. Iba yung bulaklak mo.
Mayan, iba yung sa'yo,
Timean,
Mayan.
sunflower yan.
Okay na,
Yan,
okay na yung
accessory.
ano ko, flower.
Magic, tapos
Actually, naghang
accessory.
yung cellphone ko kanina, kaya mahirap
Accessory number
Ang hirap
3.
i-mute.
Ate MC, maganito ko. Tapos i-6
Ate
lang mo na
Mar.
baby cam para...
Punta
Oo,
ka ng
para
magic.
pag nagpicturan tayo, maganda.
Oo nga, oo nga, oo nga.
ayaw eh. Ayaw.
Saan ako po?
Mayan, accessory number
Okay,
3.
sa tatlong guhit. Tapos may makikita kayong magic.
Accessory.
Accessories. Tapos yan.
Hindi ako makabawas ng slot.
Accessory.
Number 3.
Ba't hindi ako
I-unlock
makabawas?
mo, Cam. Unlock mo yung ano, tapos magbawas ka.
Ah, okay.
Boss, Jazz?
Shawi Jassy.
Hello, Jessie.
Number 3, Mayan. MC, ikaw rin. Yan,
Ayan.
o, di ba? Ang ganda.
Wait.
Yan.
Tama na, Ming.
MC, ikaw din.
Maganaw ba
Ba yung
ako?
nakuha ko?
3 lines at MC. 3 lines, tapos sa magic yun, magic.
Ako nakagaha.
3 lines, magic.
Sa 3
Tapos
lines po
hanapin
sa
mo
baba.
accessories.
Hello, Adi.
Mas
Sa
magic.
3 line, Ate
Hello
Marl.
na.
Tapos accessories.
Punta ka sa accessory, Ate Marl, tapos makikita mo yung bulaklak.
Oo. Accessory number 3.
Ay,
Kako.
Ayan.
Ayan. Mami, sa
Parang ano to,
Yan,
parang
guys,
Flores de
sorry.
Mayo.
Sorry.
Yan.
Shawi, o.
Flores de Mayo.
Yan. O, di ba? Ganda. Bagay na bagay kay Nakbino.
Yan. Parang mas maganda kung si Bino sa malaking screen.
Ay,
Ang
ito
Pag
cute,
sa malaking
diba?
screen si Bino, mas
Hindi, si
maganda.
Camille yung ano, yung host eh. Si Camille yan.
Ah, pala
Okay?
na.
Mga binibini.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ganun muna tayo. Ganun pala. Ganun. 1, 2, 3, smile. Sunod. Yung ganun naman. Ganun. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Sunod. Rock and roll to the world. Ganun. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Bulbuli. SS mo kami, paring ko. Bulbuli, paring ko.
Ah, diba, ang
Yung
cute.
gano'n naman. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay naman.
Ah,
Sakit
cute
naman pala.
May motor. May motor.
O, di ba?
Ayun, ganun. 1, 2, 3. Yung ganun, puso. Ganun. Okay,
Ano
1,
yun?
2, 3. Ganun. Ganito, mabilin.
Ano nga yan?
Mabilin, ganun. Di ba ganun? Ganun. Taas, pagsasamahan mo sila. Pero eto lang ibebend mo. Etong pinakataas lang. Yan, ganun.
Di ko alam.
Ayan, pwede na yan, mabilin. Yan, pwede na yan. O, go. 1, 2, 3,
Liit ang kamay ko eh. Putik na yun, ang liit ng kamao ko.
Ay, hindi masarap. Hindi masarap pag maliit yung kamay. Dapat mahaba.
Parang ganun.
Hindi.
Parang ganun.
Ang hirap naman nun.
Hindi
Ang
ba
hirap.
Di ba ganon?
Ang liit ng kamay ko eh.
Ganon. Tapos igaganon siya. Di ba? Ganyan. Ito lang ibebend mo. Taas.
Yan na.
Yan. Okay, 1,
Yan.
2, 3, smile.
Bengkong.
Tapos eto naman. 1, 2, 3, ganito.
Bengkong yung kamay ko.
O, ganito naman.
Ano yan? Paano yan?
Ayun. Mamili ganito.
Ganun ba yan?
Di ba ganon? Pagka ganon, igaganon mo kagad dito. Ganon, i-bend. Pak.
Di ko alam.
Ganon, Mamilin.
Manghirap
Diba ganon?
kasi. Kaya pala
Pakita
kami,
mo. Ayan,
kaya pala
ganyan
po
mo na.
si Mami.
Okay, parang okay. Okay. Tapos after nun, igaganon mo. Ganon. Ayan.
Hindi ko talaga kaya. Ay, hindi ko talaga kaya. Nahirapan ako. May salamin ako nga ni.
Turuan mo kuya, paano? Turuan.
Ako
Ganon.
na, hindi ko
Okay.
alam.
Mami, okay. Tapos ibebend mo ganon. Ayan, igaganon mo. Pak.
Tapisngi, Mi.
Sa pisngi. Kumbaga, ito yung ibebend.
Putang inang tigas na ulo nitong mami ko. Hindi nakakaintindi.
Bang! Go. Okay, 1. Okay. Okay, Mami Lynn. Yan.
Ganyan. Yan. Yun.
Yan.
Kaya nakakatas ko yung salamin
Ayan.
ko.
Hanggang, sabi ni Mami Lynn, Kuya Nino naman.
Hindi ko na nakita. Ayoko na. Ang liit ng kamay ko.
Yun lang, hindi ka pwede maging tombi. Mami Lynn, hindi ka
Oo.
kasama.
Liit ko talaga. Oo. Kilikili.
Tanggalin mo
Okay.
muna yung salamin mo. Tanggalin mo yung salamin mo.
Ano nga ni?
Para hindi mo yan. Idikit mo sa
Ito,
ano niya.
tapos?
Yun.
Okay?
Sige.
Pag okay, Mami Lynn, igaganon mo.
Ganyan ba?
Pisngi, Mi.
Yan,
Ito, Mi.
yan.
Ganun, Mi.
Yan, pwede na.
Ano?
1, 2, 3.
O, tingnan mo. Hindi ko na makita. Wala akong salamin.
Okay. Tapos igaganon, Mami Lynn. Ito, igaganon.
Yan.
Yan, go. 1.
Yan.
Wala na akong sa mata. Putek!
Ayan. Happy birthday, Mami Lynn.
Diyos mío, Marimar.
Ang hirap nun.
Ang hirap!
Eto naman. Ganon. Tapos igaganon, tapos nakaganon. Yun lang. Patay ka
Ipagawa ko
talaga.
sa akin, anak.
Ito lang. Tapos igaganon, no? Nakaganon, no? Na para bang, pinapahirapan kayo na para bang.
Ano
Hindi.
yun?
Diba ganon? Tapos
Ah.
igaganon.
Okay.
Ayun, na para
Anak,
bang.
ang liit talaga ng daliri ko. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko talaga kaya.
Mi, ganun, Mi. Mi, parang nagdadrive ng motor, Mi.
Di nga ni kaya. Maliliit ang daliri ko talaga. Hindi ko
Hindi
kaya.
pwede maging tombi. Hindi masasarapan ng shuki.
Ganyan na lang, ha?
Dapat gano'n mahaba Yan, gato kahaba Yan.
Kay Katigbak. Kita mo
Mahaba
yung
to.
kay Katigbak, puro
Ito, hindi ito. Tingnan mo naman, liit ng kamay
Puro
ko.
kalyo. Puro kalyo yung kay Katigbak.
Uy, walang kalyo yan. Malambot yan. Malambot yan, Beshi.
Sa akin matigas.
Sige na, si Ate Ime maglalasong. Para tayo magwatak-watak na nga. Oras na.
Yan. Gusto
Ako,
ko
si
po.
Ate Ime
Wait.
yan.
Kala ko tapos na ako. Ito pala. Wait.
Screenshot lang ng ganito.
Mag-screenshots
Ay,
tayo.
screenshot. Okay, yung normal lang. Straight lang ganyan. O, go. Tayo, iso mo para mukha lang talaga. 1, come in! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Diba? Ang ganda. O, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, smile. 1, 2, 3, go.
Para tayong mga luka-luka.
Ayun. O, go. Ate Mayan, go. Mag-last song na. Na naman. At
Sino ba
charge tayo
PK
ng
ngayon,
1 hour
Mami?
dahil 10 p.m. Balik tayo na solo live para multi-PK tayo. Ayun,
Oo. Sige, makakapag-solo live
PK.
na ako ngayon, guys.
May kuryente na kay ate kong Mayan?
Oh,
Mayan ka.
Yeah!
Anta ka pa talaga.
Ngayon lang talaga. Ngayon lang. Kasi ngayon lang talaga. Kaya lumiwanag na yung buhay ko.
Ngayon, Ate Mayan, mag-ingat pa natin yan. Guys, ipag-pray natin yung Jen.
Mamaya,
Sana
mag-team
yung
PK
okay na
po
sila.
tayo, 10 o'clock.
Oo,
mamaya.
magpipigay tayo.
At
Ayan,
kami-
pasensya na kanina kasi nanibago ako dahil cellphone yung gamit ko ngayon. Tapos yung laptop ko kasi, yun yung nasanayan ko. Kaya may kanina naghang talaga ako. Hindi ko talaga ma-off mic kanina. Sabi ko, paano ba ito i-mock i-off mic? Just me.
O, di ba? Ang
Nanibago
ganda
ako
ng
sa
picture
ano.
natin. Oh,
Oo.
ganda.
Oo, ang gaganda. Oh.
Magaganda talaga tayo. Sadyang magaganda tayo
Diba?
talaga. Walang gwapo dito. Walang gwapo.
Ang ganda talaga ng mga dino.
Maganda mga diwata. Ako ang diwata ng kano. Ako ang diwata ng tubig.
Hello mga diwata.
Mga niwa.
Ayan, sige.
diwata.
At ako ay maglalasong na para hindi ako maglalasong.
Tayo po ay maghuhuli ng kanta. Iyak ng pamangkin ko. Bakit?
Ano bang, may party ba dyan, Miss DK?
Oh, birthday ng Junakis.
Ikainan lang.
Oo, happy birthday pala sa Junakis ni Miss DK. Uy, pala tayo mga June.
Thank you.
Mga June birthdays.
June 28 and June 29. Ayun, no?
Yeah, June 28 and June
Opo,
29,
invited
guys.
po kayo sa aming
Birthday namin. Invited
birthday
po
ni
kayo
Ate
sa
Mayan.
birthday.
Yan.
Happy birthday.
Diba?
28 and 29, magkasunod po kaming dalawa.
Yes.
Sino?
Hi.
Si Mayan?
Yes,
Opo,
May, magkasunod kami
ako 28, si
ni,
Ate Mayan 29. Magkasing age lang po kami, 24. Matang bata.
24. Ayan, ayan.
Ano? Ay, nga.
Oh, sige na, Mami, wag ka nang
Masikip, masyarap masikip.
Mami. Oh, Mami, wag ka
Masyarap
nang
masikip. Pwede mong itry.
Uy, hindi ako ang host.
Alright, guys, tara na guys. At tayo ay kakanta.
Ladies and gentlemen, ikaw po ang ating Mayan.
Hindi ako talaga ang host.
Yes, let's go naman. Sa kabila ng mga unos na dumarating ay hindi pa rin tayo mag-i-stop. Para naman sa ganun ay tuloy pa rin ang buhay natin. Sa kabila ng mga pagsubok na dumating sa atin. Kaya go tayo guys. Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This word that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you. This love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. Let them work crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in mine and baby, don't ever look back. Let the world surround us, just full of power. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. Yes, laban. And we can build the stream together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world should end forever, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found that I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Then see you through the good times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. Let them work crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. Let's together. And we can build a stream together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world's run out of lover, we'll still have each other's. Nothing's gonna stop
Ganda
us.
natin tignan mo,
Nothing's gonna stop
kulay na.
us. All that I need is you. Nga po.
Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world's run out of lovers, we'll still have each other's. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Alright, thank you so much to all of you guys. And grabe na yung ating nagkaroon na kami ng power. And yes, thank God for everything.
Good.
Tayo ay mag-charge at
Buhay na
bumalik tayo
muli.
mamaya ng
Buhay na
10
muli
PM.
ang ating,
Closing remarks, Bebe Camille Tot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rinig ba ka?
Yes.
Ayan, thank you so much po.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa inyo mga mahal ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta at pag-join.
Ayun.
Sana sa sunod na jamming ka ng ulit tayo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kuya V.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po. Ang
Ay,
sunod,
na.
ako naman po mag-invite sa inyo sa 2028. Mag-host na rin po ako.
Thank you po.
And every Wednesday night po, syempre susunod na po ay si Ate Mayan, sunod si Mami Lina. And thank you guys.
Last ako.
Thank you.
Tara na.
Love you all guys.
Si Ate
See you mamaya
Mayan,
guys.
June
See you mamaya.
17.
Bye,
June
see you later.
24, Si Mami Lina. Yan, go. Bye.
Bye.
See you next week. Bebe Camille, and live ko na. Let's go. Ay,
Nag-resting.
Nag-resting.
Naiiwas
Kanya-kanya
tayo.
baba na lang.
sige na, baboy.
Kanya-kanya
Bye,
baba.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.